This is my new lip gloss that was inspired by Never Have I Ever. And a couple of days ago I asked which color tube I should put it in, and the majority of you said put it in the one with the pink lid. So that's what I did. And today I'm going to show you what it looks like on me. Now I'm going to use what I have left over from manufacturing. I have a little bit on my finger right here and have a mirror. So here we go. Oh my God, guys, I just love it. It leaves this beautiful wash of pink on my lips. It is super moisturizing, not sticky, a delicious sweet scent of candy. Plus there's coconut oil and jojoba oil in our lip glosses. If you like this shade, check us out at lipcandy.ca. I hope you like it as much as I do. All I have to do now is come up with a name.